CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday and onward. Is Circle Internet stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only person in the space doing 43,000 videos like this over 5 years and documenting everything, I'm the only one also showing you what's working and what's not. It's all on my YouTube channel. I've been documenting this journey throughout 5 years period. And because I'm the guy that was here, now it's like 200 bucks, but it was 76 bucks at some point. And since that point, you know, I just began buying like crazy. The big thing about this is if I do not see the price giving me this second break above 210 bucks, then there's just no way that I'm gonna buy. I know there's a lot of people who are gonna try and overcomplicate this stuff, which really should not be complicated, right? Just simple. Listen, I'm waiting for a simple second break, and if that does not happen, then bro, I guess I'm not quite buying. Like, easy. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you wanna stay tuned with CRCL, most importantly, and get my free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.